So now, in the previous video, we learned about other non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases which are caused by deficiency of some nutrients. Now, there are some more non-communicable diseases which are caused in the body because of the malfunctioning of our body organs. Suppose a heart is not functioning properly. So what may happen? Because of the not functioning of heart, it may cause some heart disease, some heart troubles, heart attacks, okay, some blockage, and there are other things. Okay. Now there are diseases like cancer, there are diseases like kidney failure, okay, there are diseases like arthritis, diabetes, in which the malfunctioning of our body system is proved. So for all these things there are treatments, there are diagnoses, and then after the proper treatment and all, everything's become fine. Now the next topic which we are going to start and end of the chapter is cleanliness, hygiene and exercise. So now by this you must have understood that cleanliness, okay, means actually keeping a body clean. Hygiene means keeping everything around us, keeping ourselves neat and clean, okay, and exercise. So we are going to discuss few points through which we can avoid being diseased, okay. See, first of all, the very important thing is to eat a balanced diet. If you eat a balanced diet, naturally there are no disease which can harm you. Okay, eating nice green vegetables, including milk and curd every day, drinking milk or eating curd, taking salads will give you lot of roughage, fibers, taking fruits in your diet, okay, and eating nice healthy diet can actually give you a balanced diet through which you can avoid diseases. Okay, now there are few points, if we practice them daily, naturally we are not going to get any disease. So the first and the basic important point is to eat healthy food, avoid street food, do not eat uncovered food. Okay, as we all drink water, nice filtered water through RO, through aquaguards, okay, through UVs, okay, but the best way to filter water is boiling. Boiling is the best method to filter water. So if we can drink boiled water, well and good, otherwise we should drink at least filtered water, okay, not the direct water which comes from the taps, okay. So now there are other methods also, like we should take bath regularly with soap or shampoo. We should keep all our body parts very neat and clean. We should brush our teeth twice every day, once in the morning and once before we go to bed, so that whatever we have eaten in the whole day comes out, okay, and there are no germs which can attack our teeth. We should never spit in the public space, and most important thing is we should never use and never touch any public thing. Suppose we are going to the market or somewhere, try to avoid touching the things, okay, because they carry germs, and when you touch them, you carry the germs with you, and knowingly and unknowingly the germs they go inside, and that will cause diseases, okay. Now the next is exercise regularly. We should exercise regularly to keep our body fit, to keep our body toned and rejuvenate ourselves with new energy. So exercising in the morning in the fresh air is very important. Now we should take proper amount of sleep, okay, sleep properly. 9 o'clock, 9:30, maximum by 10 we should be in the bed, and early in the morning get up, do some walking exercise, do some running, jumping in the home, okay. Right now we are not moving out in the gardens and parks, we can do it at our homes, okay, and taking proper sleep is very important. Sleeping late night may cause damage to your body, and sleeping too much till 10 o'clock in the morning, till 11 in the morning, till mama comes and wakes up, that is wrong, okay. So sleep early and get up early. As you have already heard that early to bed, early to rise makes the man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay, so now, and always take a healthy and a proper balanced diet. So if you follow all these instructions, if you follow all these activities, naturally you are going to save yourself, because as it is rightly said that prevention is better than cure. That means if you prevent something to happen, it's better than to be cured for that. Okay, so prevent yourself, take care of yourself, be safe, stay stay home and stay safe and stay healthy. So with this we have finished this chapter, health, diseases and hygiene. Okay, so now we are going to do the exercises and notes. I'm going to give it to you in the next class. Thank you.